Summarize the main themes for us that we spoke about.
Right. Well, I think, first of all, I mean, the key theme in the market is really sort of, liquidity. Where does liquidity come from for the LBO market right now? And I think, what we heard in the panel today is really that you see a bit of a bifurcation in the market. On the one side, you really have the small and mid-cap space, which is really bank-driven liquidity. I think it will remain this way, and then you have sort of the large cap market where obviously you need to sort of approach the institutional side of things. So really, I think what we heard today is liquidity is there, right? I think it's not the case that private equity sponsors are lacking liquidity. I think banks are more selective than in the past. Structures have changed, but overall people want to do business, and I think the German market in particular is very strong. On the large cap side, institutional liquidity is there. Right now there's not enough deal flow. So again, I think it's the right time to also look at larger deals and underwritings.
So what is stopping the market from achieving the amount of deals that we would expect 5 years or so after the crisis hit?
Right. Well, I think it's it's various topics. I think liquidity is not necessarily the point. I think obviously there's not deals like the 12 billion plus deals that we've seen still in 2007, but there's enough liquidity to get deals done up to, let's say, 3, 4, 5 billion. Using both the institutional loan market and also the bond market. What is keeping really the large cap segment? I think it's mostly macro fears in Europe right now. I think it's sponsors uncertain about putting their asset to the market, achieving the best valuations, and again, it's economic uncertainty given sort of the overall sovereign situation.
So it's more a case that we haven't got enough deals rather than there's no liquidity. You can definitely finance a deal. We just need the deals.
I think that is the case. Yeah, I think it's really the classic sort of difference between expectations between buyer and seller. It's sort of economic uncertainty. But again, we as a house, we are very open to look at any deals between mid cap and large cap, and it's really external factors rather than that there's not enough sort of bank willingness to underwrite deals or to not enough investors to actually take paper.